Hey, it's Rob from Crotch Rocket TV, and I am here at Lightning Motorcycles, and I'm going to get a chance to do a short demo of this Lightning Strike, and I'm so excited. Richard Hatfield, the owner of Lightning, has graciously allowed me to take this bike around the block a couple of times. I'm so excited about this bike. Of course, I'm here with Sean, who is now working here at Lightning, and you know, Sean Higby. What else do I need to say? So let's get this thing fired up, as they say.
Find it.
We got a great dash from AIM. It looks really awesome on the bike. Here we go. Very slow. Wow. This is a fun bike to ride. It feels like a real sport bike. I've ridden a lot of electric bikes, but this bike really feels like the real thing. It's got tons of get up and go, smooth as silk, and the subtle throttle control at like coming out of exiting corner. You got really subtle throttle. Really, really nice. This is where it needs to go. This is awesome. Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to put you on the 218 over here.